Hi everyone, this is Stavros from Drywall Repairman in Vancouver, BC. This is the third video in the series for this job. As promised, this is the final product. In the first two videos you saw us with the protection, also did a video on how we feather the edges of the fills. And now this is just up. As you know, I've got my assistant here, Takashi there, he's faithfully cleaning the floors like a good little helper. And I'm doing a finished video here. If you see some little blotchy bits, that's because it's all still wet. We've just finished this. We've mixed paint in with the texture, and when we priced this job, it was only to do spot texture across this area, and just underneath the light there was some, it had all been damaged, but it's all just gone now. But if you see any shading, it's just that it's still drying. Usually in the morning it's bone dry, but we're not here in the morning. I'm here now, and so this is why I'm taking the video now. As you can see, it's a great job. There was also yellow patches in the ceiling everywhere, so we decided, it wasn't part of the estimate, but we just decided just to throw texture over the whole ceiling, just so it looked nice and even. And as we're looking at it, we're very proud of what we've done. This is Stavros from Drywall Repairman in Vancouver, BC. See you on the next video.